now. We're almost to our destiny. Nana, I don't know. I don't know if he's in the destiny or not. So we're just walking to our destiny. We walked a long time, and we still did only 2.5. And there's so much trees, so much rocks. There's huge trees. And yeah, that's it. And there's 2 trees here. My bird is just walking right in front of me. And my bone broke and my leg broke by running a lot.
Yeah.
So, my hands are so cold. It's cold, like 0 degrees. Everybody's cold. And those 2 are just running, jogging. Beautiful trees. And some trees were destroyed. And we're close to our destiny now. And those 2 guys are going in front of us. And there's water there. And so and I'm getting so bored. I want to go back to our house, but we're close, so it also has, we're running, so it has running in my shirt. Done. So much dirt. Plants got